Camera went off. Oh, I have to start a new video now. So, you just put gum in hot water, put the gum in there for about 10 minutes, and that's your slime. It's no glue slime, by the way. You know, glue. Hey, I want to put it in.
Okay, just a minute. I want to go pee again.
Can I put it in now?
No, wait.
Okay. Thought that was all.
Wait.
Hey. It's blue. Hey, blue. Hey, blue. I'll get some of it. I'll get some of it. Smear it in. Oh my gosh! 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 Oh me goodness! Glazing!
Okay. That ounces of milk. Okay, you can pour this in there, but pour it straight down in the milk. Don't just pour it up on the sides of the glass and everything. Pour it in the milk.
Oh?
Yeah.
Aww. I want to have
We'll buy some more if you like it.
Do you blend it?
In a minute. Just pour some more stuff in there. Okay, now we got to put 1.5 cups
ice crush
of ice.
or low. She's right there. You want to put easy clean here? Oh yeah, I told you it's blue. When it gets wet, it's blue. So I believe, do I put it on this easy clean store?
Turn it up. Yeah. Plug in?
Yeah. There's a bunch of, you can save that and put it in an icebox. Because I don't drink all of it.
Drink it in this one.
Nani, you're not drinking it.
No, but I want to pour it and I'll take a picture of it. I'm going to say you're happy.
It's a unicorn!
You're going to hold it.
A unicorn plus two. Oh my god,
Rocky.
wait. Maybe this is magic. I'll put some whipped cream on it. Honey, you can put that in the icebox. You can put that in the icebox too. I don't want much.
Pour it full and then we'll pour it back out. I want to take a picture of it.
Honey, that's
Like you're
enough.
drinking it. I want to take a picture like you're drinking it.
I'm not going to look at you. I'm hiding the face. So good.
It is good. What are you doing? Look at your stomach. Don't do that. You know this, I just will. Just act like you
I'll pull it back.
Easy. Make a mess, I'm mad.
So you can save some of it.
Okay, I will.
So I'll have something there. That's how much I want. Okay. Let me put a little bit more out. What can I do? So good. It's so good, guys. Cold, cold, cold. What? F-R-A-A F-R-A-P-P-E. Yeah. Frappy. Frappy, Snorty. It's okay. It's okay. That's good. Guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. So bye.